Okay, now we're going to do Chapter 6, Activity 7, Step 5, Antacid and Vinegar. Okay. Chapter 6, Activity 7, Step 5, Antacid and Vinegar. It says to crush the antacid tablets with a hammer. Well, I have a makeshift hammer here. And so I had 2 antacid tablets. So what do they look like now? They look like a little powder, a white powder. So write your observations then in the data table. I'm going to measure 50 mils of vinegar and pour it into a Dixie cup. And I'm going to observe the vinegar. Here's 50 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar, as you know, is a clear liquid. And it says, observe the vinegar, record your initial observations for vinegar. Okay. Now, you have to pour the vinegar into a Dixie cup, and inside this gallon bag I have vinegar in the cup and I have antacid. This is like a vinegar baking soda thing, but instead of using baking soda we're just using Alka-Seltzer tablets. And the mass of this system is 72.1 grams. Now I'm going to tip the vinegar into the bag, and I hope you can hear what's happening. Definitely something going on. The bag is now filling up with gas. The reaction is complete. And we again take the mass, and the mass is 71.0. When I was smashing, I may have put a tiny little hole. The mass is slightly less, but you can record this in your observations for the antacid and vinegar. So a good way to know if this is a physical change or a chemical change is, could I get the antacid tablet back? Could I get it out of this system and get it back to the form it was in? Or has it been changed into something else? So in the next few pages you're going to do some chemistry to figure out exactly what the chemical changes going on were. This is definitely a chemical reaction, or a chemical change. Whereas the dry ice was a physical change. You changed it, carbon dioxide, from a solid to a gas. And now you've changed the components in vinegar and the antacid into totally new products.